So good morning guys. So in this session we are going to see the particularly about NEET previous year questions. Okay. So in this previous year question, now we start from the first lesson, that is physical world and units and dimension. The first question, the area of triangle field in meter square of length 55.3 meter and breadth is 25 meter. After rounding off the value of correct significant digit is, what is the area of a triangle? I mean rectangle, length into breadth. So area of the rectangle, which is nothing but length into breadth. What is length is given here? 55.3 meter into breadth is 25. So what is the final answer here? I will get. What is the final answer? 53.3 into 25. Fast. 138.2.5. This is the answer I am getting. Okay. Now, what we know when we are multiplication or division or addition and subtraction, what is the thing we have studied? When we are adding or subtracting, we should see the least decimal point. When we are multiplying or dividing, we should see the least significant. Here the least significant. For 53.5 the significant number is 3. For 25 the significant number is 2. Which is the least significant here? 25, that is 2. So I need to round it off to 2 significant figure, right? How many significants are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there, but I need only 2 because it is multiplication. So either in multiplication or division I should take only the least significant. When addition and subtraction, least decimal. So by adding, no, if I am adding anything, so least decimal is 0.3 is there, like 1 decimal is there, so I should take 1 decimal point. Now here only least significant. So first 2 number I will write, the next number is 8. Okay. So what I can say, 8 is less than or greater than 5? Greater than 5. What I should do now? Plus 1. So I will get 14. So remaining 2 numbers 0, 0, that is 10 power 2. So exponent doesn't have any significance. So answer will be 14 into 10 power 2. Understood na? So I will write it here, note point. Multiplication or division, least significant. Addition or subtraction, least decimal. Only these 2 things you should keep in mind. Okay. We will go for the next question. Yeah. So if E and G respectively denotes energy and gravitational constant, then E by G has dimensions of. So what is E here? Energy, they have said, no? Energy. Either we can take potential energy or kinetic energy. So from that I can get dimensional formula for E. So for gravitational constant, no. We know that F is equals to G into M1 M2 by R square. This is the formula for gravitational force. So G is the gravitational constant here. Okay. What I can say, F R square by M1 M2 is equals to G. Okay. Now I can easily find the dimensional formula for G. What is F? Force, no? Force equals to mass into acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but change of velocity, like rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So I can say that for acceleration meter per second by second, and for mass I will write m, like kg, no, I will write this mass, no, so mass capital M, meter length, no, then t power minus 2. This is for force. What about r square? It's a distance, no, like we are calculating distance, then L square, no, divide by again mass, no, m square, m square. Now if m goes up, it will become m power minus 2. So 1 plus minus 2 will be minus 1. So this is L1 L square. This one will be L cube, t power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for G. What about E? Like let me take kinetic energy now of mv square, where m is the mass, so m, v square, no, meter per second, length by t whole square, no, m L square t power minus 2. So I got energy dimensional formula, gravitational constant dimensional formula. Now we need to get E by G. So you can get easily, no, now. Do it and say no. What is the answer? What is the answer? So what is E here now? M L square t power minus 2. What about G? M power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. T power minus 2, again if it goes up t square. So this I can cancel it. So this one m square, no, m going up, it will become m power minus 1. So 1 plus 1 2. This one L power minus 1 t power 0. What is the answer? Okay. This is the answer. Any doubt now? We'll go for next question. Okay. So listen, a screw gauge gives the following readings when used to measure the diameter of the wire. So main scale reading they have given. So let me write down main scale reading, which is equals to 0 millimeter. What about circular scale reading CSR? CSR will be equals to 52 division. Okay, given that 1 millimeter on the main scale corresponds to 100 divisions, which means least count will be 1 divided by 100, which is nothing but 0.01 millimeter. Okay, like they said that 1 millimeter on the main scale corresponds to 100 divisions. Like they have taken 100 divisions, it means 1 by 100. So which means 0.01 millimeter. Diameter of the wire from the above data. Okay, then total reading will be equals to, formula is MSR plus CSR into least count. This is the formula. Total reading. 0 plus 52 into 0.01. That's it. 0.05. 0.052. Okay, this is in 0.052, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whatever. Your calculation you are doing, no? Okay, leave it. Now, what is there here? Millimeter, no? Options are given in? Then what I should do? Convert to centimeter. So, I will say the simple trick: kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. So, from kilometer to meter, 1000, reduce 1 0. So, meter to centimeter, 100. Again reduce 1 0. Centimeter to millimeter, 10. So, this is multiplication. Okay. When I am going from kilometer to meter, centimeter, millimeter, 10 power 3, 10 power 2, 10 power 1. When I am coming from millimeter to kilometer, no, it is 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. Okay. I should divide now. Okay. Again I should divide it. Do the calculation properly. If you make a mistake, it will go. See, this is 0.52. 52. This one 0.052. 0.52 millimeter, 10 power minus 2. Do it properly. So, this is the formula for total reading. Main scale reading into, plus CSR into least count. Okay. We'll go for the next question. Completed, no? You got the answer properly? Okay, keep the calculation. Do it now. Do this question now. Taking into account the significant figures, what is the value of 9.99 minus 0.099 meter? This is now subtraction, no? In first question we have seen multiplication. So, in this thing, 9.99 minus 0.0099. What is the answer? So, this is 0 0, no? Okay. So, this one will be my 8, 9, 10. 1 0 8 9 9. What I said? Least decimal. How many decimals are here? 1 2 3 4. Here 2 decimals, here 4 decimals. I should take it into 2 decimal. So, I need to neglect this. 9.98. Okay. So, most of the people go for the second option also, because 8 is there. Okay. They will see that it is greater than 5. They will add. Okay. Either they will go for the other options, but option is 9.98. I should see the least decimal. Next question. In an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in a measurement of a physical quantities A, B, C, D are 1%, 2%, 3 and 4. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement x, where x is equals to a square b power 1 by 2 divided by c power 1 by 3 d cube. So, whenever we are getting these kind of questions, what I should do? Delta x by x should be equals to, first thing what I should do? X is equals to a square b power 1 by 2 c power minus 1 by 3 d power minus 3. Okay. Take everything in numerator. Now, delta x by x is equals to, the power is there, no? Keep it in modulus, 2 delta A by A plus again power 1 by 2 in modulus delta B by B plus minus 1 by 3 in modulus delta C by C plus minus 3 delta D by D. Now delta A by A, B by B, C by C, D by D has been given 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 plus 3 into 4. So 2, 2 to get cancelled plus 1, 3, 3 get cancelled plus 1, 3 4s are 12, 12, 13, 14, 16 percentage. So first option. We'll go for next question. Okay. Look into the question once. A physical quantity of a dimensions of length that can be formed out of C, G and E square by 4 pi epsilon naught is where C is the velocity of light, G is the universal universal constant of gravitation and E is the charge. Then what I should find here, when I multiply or use this quantities, I should get the length. First thing I need to find the dimensional formula for C, G and E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Then if I use these 4 options, I should get only length, the dimensions of length that can be formed out of. First find the dimension of C and G. C is velocity, meter per second. G we have found out in the previous question only, that is F is equals to G m1 m2 by r square, where G is equals to Fr square by m1 m2. Find it. Okay, see, listen. M power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. Okay, now say G is equals to M power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. Okay, what about C M L L T minus 1. Okay, for this one, this constant, let me consider as K. So for K I will give directly, which is nothing but M L cube T power minus 2. T power minus 2. Okay, which is charge, potential energy. Okay, charge, so M L cube T power minus 2. Now these three, consider this as E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, now use these options now. 1 by C square, L square T power minus 2 will be there. See, first option 1 by C square E square by G into 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by 2, power 1 by 2. Now what is C here? L T power minus 1. So 1 by L square T power minus 2. Okay, this is 1 by G, 1 by G into E square by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is E square by 4 pi epsilon naught? Hmm. M L cube T power minus 2 divide by 1 by G, no? What about G? M power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. Okay. Now this is for the first option. So if you substitute, you should get either L. If you are not getting, go for the second option. Okay. Again for the second option, what should I do? 1 by L T power minus 1 into, here G into K. It is G into K. Okay, it's not K by G, it's G into K now. So I need to multiply now. Okay. If I am not getting only the last value as L, go for this third option. Okay. So I need to check every option now. So if I get L, that is the correct option. Okay. Once you know these dimensional formulas, I can easily find. Any doubt in this question? You can take this options now and the dimensional formula for this. So whoever watching in online, no, you can give answer in the comment boxes, which is the correct option for this. Okay, we will go for the next question. If the dimensions of a physical quantity are given by m power a, l power b, t power c, then the physical quantities will be. Okay. Here what should I do? The options is been given as a force, pressure, velocity and acceleration. Okay. I need to find the dimensional formula for force first. I need to cross verify if m power 0 or L power minus 1 or T power minus 2. Similar for pressure, then velocity, then acceleration. What about force? Force is nothing but mass into acceleration, right? So acceleration, no, this one mass m L T power minus 2. Now if I see here, no, a power 0, it is wrong. Here for this, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 2. I will check it later. Pressure is nothing but force by area. Force is, I found m L T power minus 2 divided by L square, which is nothing but m L power minus 1 T power minus 2, which is a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 2. What about velocity now? Velocity is meter per second, no, SI unit. Then what I can say? That L T power minus 1. So m is equals to 0, sorry, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 1. Now what about acceleration? Acceleration is L T power minus 2, which is nothing but a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 2. Now if I verify the option, first option, a is equals to 1, a is equals to 0, no, wrong. Second option, a is equals to 1, yeah, a is equals to 1 is there, b is equals to minus 1, minus 2. What about velocity? Yeah. Yes. So option B is the correct answer. Pressure, A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 1, C is equals to minus 2. Understood now? Yeah. We'll go for the next question now. Okay. the ratio of the dimension of Planck's constant and the I mean that of the moment of inertia is the dimension of. Okay, first I need to find dimension of Planck's constant, then moment of inertia. Okay, see, E is equals to hc by lambda. Okay, energy formula we know, like h is the Planck's constant, which is h is equals to E lambda by c. Okay, then moment of inertia, mass into mr square. Okay, mr square, so m l square. Okay, this is moment of inertia. I have given moment of inertia mr square. Okay, I is equals to mr square is the formula, no? So m mass, l square. Okay, now in this energy I know. Okay, c velocity, no, I know. Lambda wavelength I can find easily, no. I need to find the Planck's constant, dimension, and then moment of inertia, divide it, you will get the answer. Okay, take this question as homework and give answer. Okay guys, we will meet in the next session. Bye bye.